I'm a runner. I've been running consistently since I was first elected in 2000. For me, running is about building mental toughness and discipline. I've run around this lake in Chanhassen more than 1,000 times now. I've run dozens of races across the state, from 6 marathons in Duluth to the Aquatennial Torchlight 5K in Minneapolis. I'm not fast and I'm not an athlete, but when I start, I finish. Now I'm running for the United States Senate, and I'm running for a much greater purpose than just me and my family. I'm running for the Senate because I believe in America. I run for the Senate to give each and every one of us the right to succeed as architects of our own lives, to raise a family, grow a small business, retire with pride. As I've traveled this great state, I've listened as you spoke about your dreams for our country. You said we can grow our economy if taxes stay low and our government will just stay out of the way. You said if we stand up and tell our story of conservative values and constitutional principles, we will win this fall. I run because we must have the courage of our convictions and the will to fight for what we believe in. Yes, I run for the Senate because I believe in America, and a government that empowers people and not agencies. An America that honors its servicemen and women and is respected in the world by both our allies and our adversaries. That's the America I want to live in. Run with me. Join our campaign for conservative values and ideals. Let's unify our party and cross the finish line together. Let's make history and let's make America great again.